What's up guys, you're watching the Sit and if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error and the error is NW-102307-3. A communication error occurred while connecting to the PlayStation network. So it's a network error and we are going to fix this up. I'm just going to share my screen on the left side and here we are at the screen. Look at that. You can test the internet connection by starting a party. And here is the starting the party. If your party is going to start, it's not going to happen, then your internet is working good. Here, look at that. You start the party here, you can share the screen and other stuff, it's working good. You can test your own internet connection also. You just leave the party and get back to your network settings. There is a view PlayStation network services. You must check the services, network services, and view PlayStation network. Sometime the server is not working, that's why you get this error under maintenance. If it's working good, then you must contact with the local internet provider because your local internet is not working. Look at that, there's a green, the server is working up and good. So you set your own internet connection, forget the old one and connect with the new one. You can change the DNS settings also, primary DNS and a secondary DNS, secondary DNS. You just search it, which one is working good in your country, just put it back and set it. Simply, that's how you can fix. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box and see you soon for the next one.